Welcome back to the Maintenance Man channel. Tonight we're going to review, do an unboxing type, Cat Dx71 3-speed 1/4 inch impact driver, hex driver. We'll just dive right into it. I bought it for $180 off of Amazon, which I think is pricey. Now, Cat Power Tools, I got the release date as August 9th, 2022. I think that might be just on Amazon. I feel like they were released before that, but I'm unsure. They're owned by Pacific, which owns Works in Rockwell. So here's the box, 1900 inch-pounds. Let's just dive right into it. So it does come with a hard case that's like this. You got a to-go handle on the top and one on the side. Open it up, you got instruction manuals for charger and stuff, padding, this little foam insert, and actually you got foam on the top, which is pretty nice. And you close that up, and on the bottom it even has like rubberized feet, so not a bad case if you're into cases. I am not. Moving along, here is the product in question. It just right off the bat, it's not worth $180 in my opinion. I haven't even used it yet, but the selector switch feels just a little bit too short. Like there's not enough there whenever you're going over. It has like just feels short to me. The rubber overmolding handle feels a little thin compared to the rigid. I don't know if you can see that. It's just the rigid has more of a grip. This gets a little thinner at the base, and we saw that with the Duwaks where it just cracked right off. The batteries just have, you guys know I review inexpensive tools, and I have no, I like doing that, but there's a little bit of rubber on the bottom, these four corners. You can see the vent holes through there. Pretty normal. Battery, they got 5 lights. It doesn't stay on. You got to push and hold. As for the battery, it's not bad. I do like this type as opposed to the rigid. Sometimes the rigid one, you can see, I don't know, it gets gunked up on these corners here, and it just, I don't know. Milwaukee did that also. The belt clip is just very flimsy. I mean, I guess it sticks on there. I'm pulling pretty hard at that, and it's going back into shape. It just seems very big, like it would get caught on more things than not. But you can see I'm just bending that out, and I guess it's made for that. But I mean, it still just seems a little weird. Uplight, again, I like the ring lights better. And then it does have 3 speeds here. And it has that sound like when you buy one of these, I'm not going to call rigid like high quality, but this is brushless, and it seems like the motor just goes right into it. Same with, let's get another one out here. The Craftsman goes right into it, and then the Cat has that like slow startup. It doesn't get into it as fast. The other thing I've noticed on this, and I'll see if I can get it, but there's a lot of Chuck Wobble. Let me put this at a lower setting here and try and go slow. But you can see right out of the box. Now, I'm not sure compared to other brands. Let's just do like a little comparison here. There's a lot on the rigid, I guess. Let's see, I've been using these Boss Stitch, and I brought these out for a reason. not too bad. So we'll say 3 out of 3. Let's bring the Craftsman up. It is what it is, you know. So anyways, forward, reverse, the switch, like I said, it's a cool design. The rubber overmolding feels more plasticky than rubbery, to be honest with you. And also the thing that surprised me was it's not even a quick insert chuck. It's not a bad chuck. I like the gnarling on it. It's not a quick release either. Even the old Bostitch brand I have here, it's a quick load and a quick release. I've really enjoyed these, so I bought these like right at the end of when the run was, because I was going to get into the lineup, and this is really all they made. And then these are 18 volt, and then they came out with 20 volt and nail guns. Now that was pretty much the end of the Bostitch, but I really like how those work, even though they're brushed. I'm not really particularly care about brushed or brushless. This is the charger. It actually red and then it turns green. A lot of this reminds me of DeWalt, but then once I researched who made it, it does, you know, it's like works, you know, or Rockwell, but just, I don't know. We're doing a tool test with it. We're going to put it up against the Rigid. This is says it's got more power. Well, 2900. Alright, they're just, it is what it is. But you can also see it's a little bit longer. So the size isn't too bad, but it's a little bit longer than the Rigid, and it's a little bit taller than the Rigid. So that's my quick rundown. It's just very plasticky. They have a hammer drill on there. It's like $300. That looks beefy, but I mean, you guys have seen me test cheap tools here on this channel, inexpensive tools, and this just has the feel of that, but it might surprise us in the tool test. Anyways, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, and we'll see how it does tomorrow. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Later.